Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Location services and motion and orientation are on. Once done, open compass and hold the iPhone flat, parallel to the ground, so the sensor can read accurately. Rotate the phone slowly following the animated figure until the calibration circle clears. This aligns the magnetometer and gyroscope. Make sure you're away from magnets and metal objects. Doing this now prevents erratic readings later. After calibration, you'll see the heading, degrees, and coordinates ready for the next steps. Now you'll use the compass features to navigate. Tap the compass face to lock a bearing. A pinned heading arrow shows the direction to follow. This is useful when walking a straight line. Swipe left to reveal the built-in level for precise alignment when mounting or measuring. It shows pitch and roll readings. Tap the coordinates at the top to copy or share your exact GPS location with a tap. Make sure to relock the heading if you pause, because movement can shift your intended course. To finish, orient your phone so the locked heading points away from you and walk while monitoring the arrow and degree readout. Relock is needed when you take breaks. If readings are unstable, first remove magnetic cases or accessories and step away from cars or metal structures. Then recalibrate by rotating the device. If problems persist, restart the Compass app or your iPhone and verify settings privacy location services and compass permissions. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.